UptoSix Phonics.
Read the word and tap the correct picture. St. St. St.
Rust.
Rust. Read the word and tap the correct picture. It.
Blend the sounds.
Lid. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
We are using UptoSix Phonics App for endless reading and spelling practice.
Hum. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
The advantage of using the UptoSix Phonics app is children can listen to the sounds again and again and they learn the sounds properly. Lips.
Lips. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Pod.
Pod. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Bag.
Bag.
Bag. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Elk.
Elk. Hog. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
To read and spell, children must know the letter sounds well. Limp.
Limp. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Golf. Golf. If we say Golf, we cannot hear the word golf. Golf, golf. Can you hear the word golf? But the moment we say golf, easily children can understand the word is golf.
Golf. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Dog. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Bell.
Bell. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
UptoSix Phonics app provides endless reading and spelling practice. Hot.
Hot. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Cub. Oh, that is wrong.
Cub. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
5 minutes a day and reading writing will be perfect.
Lit. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Fit. And the best part is there is no monthly subscription. You purchase one time and use it as long as you want.
Fit. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Drop.
Drop.
C and K together make one sound. So there are 4 letters but only 3 sounds. Lock. Lock.
Lock. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Super easy, isn't it, with the app?
Hope. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Up, 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 up. Up. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
The skills what we are using, we are blending the sounds to read. When children master this skill, they can decode any word.
Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Hem. Download the UptoSix Phonics app today.
Read the word and tap the correct picture. Dog. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Plug.
Plug. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Slot.
Slot.
Slot. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
We are using only set 3 sounds, and there are beginner and expert levels. In expert levels, there are difficult words, longer words. Flap.
Flap. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
Words like this.
Petrol. Read the word.
This is set 3 sounds, and there are 4 levels, and each level there are many words for reading and spelling practice. And when you download the UptoSix Phonics app, you get set 1 completely free. Children can learn all the sounds, play the games.
Pop the bubbles with the sound. Pop the bubbles with the sound.
Sound.
Pop the bubbles with the sound. Pop the bubbles with the sound. Pop. Tap on the sound that anchor begins with.
These games prepare children for blending and segmenting skills.
Tap on the sound that slippers begins with.
Slippers.
Tap on the sound that straw glass begins with.
Straw.
Tap on the sound that insect ends with.
Insect.
Tap on the sound that rocket ends with.
Rocket. We're just identifying the final sound.
Tap on the sound that soap
Soap.
ends with.
Soap as the final sound. And in the other game, children learn to identify the beginning sound. And for segmenting or spelling, they have to identify all the sounds in a word.
Tap on the sound that balloon ends with.
Balloon. The app is designed in a very systematic way. Download the app for free and try today.
Read the word and tap the correct picture. Set. Read the word and tap the correct picture. 10. Read the word and tap the correct picture.
This is the best gift that you can give to your child. Gift of reading. Download the UptoSix Phonics app today. Available on Google Play Store and on App Store.
Ram.